Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to list your first item with Hustle Got Real. Once you have linked your eBay account, configured your Hustle Got Real profile and installed an extension, you are ready to list. Okay, so we can choose for example one of the products below. We open product page. You need to click on the extension button. Let's wait a moment. Okay, once you checked and fill in everything, you must click on Submit. And that's it. Your first item has been listed successfully. Thank you very much for watching us. Don't forget to stay tuned by checking our YouTube channel and following Hustle Got Real on social media.